Coming to you today on Kent Island, Maryland, we're showcasing 133 Olive Branch Road for our open house tour, where you're checking out a gorgeous traditional two-story colonial in Romancoke on the Bay. This home was built in 2019, so it's barely 5 years old and is still as fresh as can be, move-in ready. You've got a great layout where right off the front entryway, you have your staircase going upstairs to 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms upstairs, and a half bath here on the main level for guests. And you have this space behind me here, which is a great flex space. Can be used as a formal dining room, a playroom, an office, whatever accommodates you and your family. Right off this enormous kitchen, you have loads of cabinetry here. You have a great big center island. You also have a pantry space behind me, which is perfect next to that coffee and breakfast bar area. If you don't want the formal dining, you have plenty of room here for an eat-in kitchen and an open floor plan as you're getting ready to see a great big living room. And you'll notice LVP throughout the whole main level here. This lot is located on a 1/3 acre and combines the best of both because you've got mature trees and great landscaping, but plenty of sun, and you're right by the water. We're only about 2 blocks away from the Chesapeake Bay. All the playset would stay with the property, so it's perfect and just adds to that move-in ready appeal. This is the living room behind me here with great built-ins, which is perfect for your entertainment center, or you can take them down and create a great accent wall. We've got a conditioned crawl space with interior access, so that adds to the additional storage. Plus, you have an attached 2-car garage with interior access as well. This is just the main level, so make sure you want to schedule your tour to check out gorgeous big bedrooms upstairs, as well as correlating gorgeous bathrooms and a huge primary suite. We're at 133 Olive Branch Road in Stevensville, Maryland, and this is a home that you want to make sure to add to your home search.